Hi, and welcome to SolutionInn. Today we are here to introduce a new feature that we think can remove educational barriers of students on their way to graduation by providing valued resources without any cost. Yes, we've launched our free books feature to help every student, so that you have all the resources at your disposal in no time without spending a single dollar. Plus, you can have access to all the SolutionInn resources for 30 days, totally free. If you try to search online for any study resources like books for example, you would probably find your book but end up with high costs that you as a student can't afford. Let's talk about our $0 books feature and how you are going to get this free of cost. Step 1. First go to www.solutioninn.com homepage and get registered using email, Google account or Facebook account. It's simple. Just fill in the information and sign up as a student. It will take a few seconds. Step 2. After sign up, you will land on your dashboard. Just click on the Books button on the top of the page. Step 3. You will land on a page listing the books by categories. But we recommend that you search your book in the search bar provided above. This will find your book faster than manual search. As an example, a book name is entered in the search bar to show you how it will look like when search matches our book's records. Step 4. At this point, make sure it is the same book that you were looking for. If this is your desired book, then click on Continue button. As you can see here, the price mentioned against the book in your cart is $0. You will also see an additional feature here. This is a free feature that you will be able to use but not be charged for it either. We will explain this feature later in this video. Now click on Continue button to proceed. Step 5. This is the final step. Remember, you will not get charged at this point and you can still have your free book in your hand within 2 days. You just have to give the information so that we are not shipping the book to a fake person. Step 6. That's it. If you've entered correct payment details, you will be able to see this page, showing details of your order. Below is a button saying, See Solution. By clicking this button you will be able to consult any homework help on question from this textbook. But wait, remember I mentioned a free feature. Let's talk about it. First of all, it's free and you are not going to get charged for using any of the above listed features for next 4 weeks. You can get access to over 2 million textbook solutions, more than 200,000 expert answers. You can ask 30 free questions from experts and also ask questions from tutors that are available 24 hours. Stay tuned with SolutionInn with lots of upcoming free stuff. Take care.